Hey everyone out there, this is KPR1 with Jeff and Dimitri. We're live in the mix right now on the radio. We are so happy to have DJ Theo tonight.
Hello.
Hey, DJ Theo tonight is going to be in the mix live. In-house? He's going to be in-house?
Welcome,
Theo. Anyway, so we're going to have him come up here. But I like to say one thing. I was blessed today because I had a song delivered to me from the real Stonebridge. Thank you out there. And he sent me a song that was sang by an artist. I'm getting her name right now. Her name is...
Oh, Jeff.
I know. I'm so sorry. Jamie Wilson. And Jamie is just an amazing singer. Anyway, Jamie, thank you for the song, and we love you, and we're looking to work with you more. Anyway, guys, back to the music, and yeah, enjoy the show.
Hello, I am Sebastian from SebastianPresents.com, here with InHouse Radio with Jeff and Dimitri on KPR1 Radio.